Ishvara Rama, F for Falguma Rama, G for Gunatmaka Rama, H for Anumata Rama, I for Inaya Rama, J for Jagapati Rama, K for Kausalya Rama, L for Lakshmana Rama, M for Mangala Rama, N for Nandana Rama, O for Omkara Rama, P for Pavana Rama, Q for Kusalava Rama, R for Raghukula Rama, Sita Rama, T for Tulasi Rama, U for Uttara Rama, V for Vasishta Rama, W for Vaikunta Rama, X for Jiganta Rama, Y for Yogita Rama, Z for Janita Rama.
Very good.